Good morning, dear students. This is my second video of the same chapter, chapter number 4, sorting materials into group. This slide I already taught you in my first video, but I am going to give you a recap. This is important one. All materials or objects are classified on the basis of appearance, solubility, hardness, transparency and density. Appearance, there are so many materials around us and all materials are made up of different things. Like some are metals made up of metal, some made of wood, some made of plastic, so you can able to easily separate them. Okay, now solubility. Soluble and insoluble are again important. A classification, some materials are completely soluble in water like sugar and salt, and some are insoluble like sand, sawdust and oil. Hardness. Hardness are subdivided into two parts, soft and hard. Some material can easily compress. When you touch it, your finger are going inside. So on the basis of touch, on the basis of their compressing nature, you can able to classify. And hard, some material are difficult to compress, they are hard in nature, so you can easily find out, like iron and wood. Transparency, it is important classification of material or object on the basis of transparency. Transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent, in which you can able to see both the side clearly, like your glass. Okay. Opaque, in you cannot able to see both the side, like wood. Okay. Now translucent, in which you can able to see the things but not clearly, like wax paper, muslin cloth. Density, material classification on the basis of weight. Some material or objects are light in weight and some are heavy in weight. Light objects are float on the surface and the sink, and the heavy object they can sink. If you are going to drop a pebble metal into the river, it will be go inside because weight is more. And float, in the things and material which are light in weight are float on the surface, or they'll maybe fly. Okay. Now this is NCERT page number 1, sorting materials into group. Same thing, object around us, so many things around us. You can see at your home there are so many things. Okay, from top to toe, different things. Okay, some are living and some are non-living. In activity 1, they are saying that you have to collect different variety of the object and classify them, like chalk, pencil, notebook, rubber, duster, hammer, nail, soap and wheel. And on first, you classify, separate them on the basis of appearance, like plastic one side, metal one side, paper one side. Then on the basis of hardness, soft one side, then hard one side. Then on the basis of light density, light and heavy weight one side. So there are so many different way of classification of the object. Now table 4.1 and table 4.2 is your homework. Table 4.1, object and the material they are made up of. Plate and pen, they are different material they are made up of, so you have to write two more things, like table made up of plastic, metal, like chair also. Look at your home and write down two more things. Now table 4.2, different types of object that are made from the same material, like wood, chair, table, plow, bullock cart, paper, book, notebooks, newspaper, toy, calendar, leather, cap, belt, bag, etc., plastic, toys, buckets, etc., cotton, clothes. So write down one more according to your wish, one more column after cotton. Okay, like you can write down about what? Metal, so many things are made up of metals. Okay, and plastic already here, so you can use your mind and write down. Stay tuned. Any confusion you can ask. In my next video, I'm going to teach you something new. Thank you.